Hey, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you the latest illustrating Bible called the Book of Luke. I am so excited to share it with you. Just got it in the mail today, and I can't wait to show you the differences as well between the Book of Luke version and the entire illustrating Bible. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I want to share with you, the difference in terms of the Book of Luke and the Illustrating Standard Bible, is they come in different packaging. So as you know, the Illustrating Bible comes in a really heavy, kind of nice premium gift box, essentially. The Book of Luke comes in a poly bag sleeve. So basically, this is what you're going to get. And I love that they put it in the poly bag sleeve so that it doesn't get damaged during shipping. You know, sometimes if you're ordering multiple things get kind of rubbing up against each other, but this way it stays really protected as it comes to your home. This retails for $24.99, whereas the full Illustrating Bible retails for $99.99. Anytime there are sales, we do post them on our Facebook page at Bible Journaling Ministry. So go ahead and follow us there. I will also try to post in the YouTube community so that you guys are made aware of sales there as well. As I open the poly bag, you can see that you get it just comes with a little kind of bookmark. So if you pull that bookmark away, you will find out that you can get some downloads. So don't throw this away, this little marker here, because there is a download code on the back of it. Obviously, I won't show that on the video because you have to buy the book, that book of the Bible to get that. You can also see here there's significant differences between these two Bibles. I mean, look at the difference, right? One is super small, one's super big, right? So in terms of the size, it's completely like, it's only one book, right? So it's going to be a lot thinner than the Illustrating Bible that has all of them in there. In terms of size, they're about the same size, somewhere around, I think, 9.5. Let me just double check here. I know that my measurements are slightly different than what's on the website, but I'm showing 9.5 inches wide by approximately 9.5 inches wide. So 9.5 inches wide by 9.5 inches tall. And in terms of the width, I'm going to show you, it's about 0.75 centimeters, so less than a centimeter. Now this is the same size here, 9.5 wide by 9.5 tall. And then in terms of the depth, you're getting about like a little bit under 2 inches. So pretty thick Bible here versus this one, which is like less than a centimeter. In terms of weight, this one weighs under a pound. It's around a little bit over 12 ounces. This one comes in at about 5 pounds. It's super big. I never carry this with me anywhere because it's too big. But this one I can see, it's super light and portable. I can carry it anywhere. One of the other key differences is the version. So this is the CSB version. This is the NIV version. So those of you guys who like different translations, you won't be repeating the same translation as you purchase each of your individual books. Now, Dayspring hasn't shared with us the next books in the series, but as soon as they let me know, I will definitely let you know. I try to keep you guys up to speed on all of the things Bible journaling, of course. As we open up the Bible, there's another key difference. The other key difference is that the font is bigger. So here in the Illustrating Bible, you have an 8-point font, so super tiny. Here you have a 12-point font. So Dayspring really listened when you guys were saying you want a bigger font. Of course, giving you a bigger font in the Illustrating Bible kind of isn't possible. They have to do it in these smaller books, because if they were going to give you a bigger font in this Illustrating Bible, can you imagine how big that would be? Like twice the size, guys. It would be a 10-pound Bible. That's just too much. That's just too much for anyone to handle, I think. Both Bibles do lay flat, so as you open them up, they do lay flat. Your margin width is the same. This one is measuring approximately a little under 4 inches. This one measures, again, about right around 4 inches, so slightly under 4 inches is what I would guesstimate. In terms of the rest of it, the other difference is the cover. So this cover is a flexible cover. It feels a little like a suede, kind of suede feel in the inside. It's got "In the beginning God created" on the front. For the Luke Illustrating Bible, it's a hardcover. You can see that it doesn't flex at all, and there's no in the beginning here at all. So there's nothing over here. It's just a nice suede liner. And I don't think it's suede. It's just a suede feel. That's what I'm trying to say. The coil is really smaller as well. So with this Bible, you also get just the book of Luke only in the NIV version. So you're not going to get any of the other Gospels, just the book of Luke, starting from Luke chapter 1 all the way through Luke chapter 24. And that's it. I mean, really, this is about it for this. It's going to be really fun for Christmas in terms of us who are going through the book of Luke. I know a lot of churches do go through the book of Luke during Christmas, so you can definitely take this with you. It is super portable and easy to carry. It's super light. I think it'll be really fun because I'm so glad, you guys, that there's finally an illustrating Bible that I can carry around. Would you agree? If you have the other illustrating Bible, I would love to know in the comments. Let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you have. And then what do you think of this new illustrating Bible? Are you curious about the next books that are going to come out? Again, Dayspring hasn't released those, but I'm curious too. They also haven't released whether or not the illustrating Bible is coming out in different colors, and if so, what colors are they? So again, as soon as I know, you're going to know. But yeah, this is it. It's really cool. Great for journaling on the go for sure. You're definitely going to be able to carry this. It's much lighter than any of the other Bibles that I have as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please give us a thumbs up because it really helps us get the word out. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.